Hey there, welcome back to Code with Maddie. Today I'm talking about something every developer faces at least once in their career: interview questions. I'm not just giving you the answers, I'm showing you how most people answer these questions and how you can ace them like a pro. Let's start. The first and foremost, which is a basic question: what is Java and why it is platform independent? The normal answer for this question is Java is a programming language. It is platform independent because it runs on JVM. To impress your interviewer, you should answer like this. Java is a high-level object-oriented language known for its portability. When you compile a Java code, it's converted into bytecode, which can run on any machine with a JVM, regardless of the operating system. And by saying this, you are emphasizing the right ones run everywhere philosophy. The second question is explain the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. So the normal answer would be JDK is for development and JRE is for running Java programs and JVM executes the code. But the best way to answer is Java Development Kit provides tools for developing Java application, including the compiler. Java runtime environment includes the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and libraries required to run Java application. The JVM, as a part of JRE, is the engine that computes the bytecode. This answer highlights a real-world analogy, like JDK as a kitchen and JRE as an appliance and JVM as a chef. The next basic question is, what are the features of Java 8, which you'll get in all the interviews? So the normal answer is it has Lambda expression, Streams API, and functional interface, but that's not it. To impress your interview further, you should explain the entire feature in Java 8, which is like this. Java 8 introduced powerful features like Lambda expression for functional programming, the Stream API for processing collections, functional interface and default methods in interfaces. This changes modernized Java, making it more competitive with the other languages. And the pro tip is mention how these features improve productivity and performance in real projects. The next question is a very important question that you will face in every interview if you are a Java developer, which is what is the difference between HashMap and ConcurrentHashMap? Well, the normal answer is HashMap isn't thread safe, but ConcurrentHashMap is thread safe. But to answer like a pro, HashMap is not synchronized, making it faster, but unsuitable for concurrent modification. On the other hand, ConcurrentHashMap is a thread safe and achieve concurrency by segmenting the map and locking only the affected segment during the update. And the pro tip is explain where you used it in a real world scenario. And the next question is about the final keyword. Can you explain the final keyword in Java? The normal answer is it is used to declare constants and prevent inheritance. But in order to give a standout answer, you should answer like this. The final keyword can be applied to variables, methods, or classes. A final variable's value can't change, a final method can't be overridden, and a final class can't be extended. And the pro tip is add examples for each use case for clarity. The next question is the most common question to test your in-depth knowledge in Java, which is what is garbage collection and how does it work in Java? The normal answer is garbage collection is automatic in Java and it removes the unused object. But in order to show that you are well versed in Java, you should answer like this. Garbage collection in Java is an automatic and managed by JVM. It identifies the objects that are no longer referenced and reclaims their memory. The most commonly used garbage collector is G1, which divides the heap into regions and prioritizes collections based on their usage. And pro tip is mention how to force garbage collection using system.gc, but caution that it's not recommended. The next important and most asked question is how does Java handle exception? Well, the normal answer is Java uses try-catch blocks to handle exception, but that's not it. Java provides a robust exception handling mechanisms using try-catch finary blocks. Checked exception must be handled or declared in the method signature, while the unchecked exceptions are runtime errors. Proper handling ensures the application stability. And you also include the custom exception handler and global exception handler by using @controllerAdvice and @exception handler. And the pro tip is share a story of how exception handling saved a project. The next question is asked to test your basic knowledge about ArrayList and LinkedList, which is they explain the difference between ArrayList and LinkedList. Well, the normal answer is ArrayList is faster for searching and LinkedList is better for insertions. So the pro answer is ArrayList is backed by a dynamic array, making it faster for random access but slower for insertion and deletions. On the other hand, LinkedList implemented as a doubly linked list, and it is better for sequential access and frequent insertions or deletions. Pro tip: discuss the trade-offs in a practical scenario. And the next question is about Singleton. This is to understand your basic knowledge about the scopes. So the question is, what is Singleton class and how do you implement it? So the normal answer is a Singleton ensures there's only one instance of a class. But to give a standard answer, a Singleton ensures a single instance of a class with a global access. You implement it using a private constructor, a static method to get the instance, and sometimes doubly checked locking for thread safety in a multi-threaded environment. Pro tip: mention scenarios where you use Singleton like caching or configuration management. The next question is mostly asked for freshers, which is what is the difference between the method overloading and overriding. Normally the freshers would answer like overloading happens in same class and overriding happens in the child class. But that's not it. Overloading is a compile-time polymorphism where methods in same class have the same name but different parameters. On the other hand, overriding is a runtime polymorphism where a class provides a specific implementation for a method in its parent class, respecting the auto-override annotation. Pro tip: talk about when to prefer one over the other in a design. And that's a wrap. I hope this helps you ace your next Java interview. Remember, it's not just about knowing the answers, but communicating them effectively. If you found this helpful, like and share to Code with Maddie. Let me know in the comments how you approach these questions. Until next time, happy coding.